In Indonesia right now, authorities are warning people to stay away from beaches. They're worried that more deadly giant waves, tsunamis, could strike. The death toll climbing from Saturday's disaster. Almost incomprehensible how many people have been killed. At least 370 now confirmed dead. A 10-foot high
17,000 islands, Jim. More than 125 active volcanoes. A lot of vulnerable coastlines.
People pay the price there.
In Indonesia, that country has raised its alert status for the erupting volcano that caused a deadly tsunami over the weekend. The 16-foot ocean wave killed at least 430 people on the islands of Java and Sumatra. People along the coastline are being told to stay inland for fears of another tsunami, and now air travelers too are on alert.
Estimates that more than 20,000 people are now in shelters. As for the volcano Anak Krakatoa, it's been active on and off for weeks. It is still belching dust and smoke, so the sky around it is a no-fly zone. Indonesian authorities have also banned anyone from going within half a mile of the shore in case a fresh eruption causes
tormenting Guatemala has claimed dozens of lives, and emergency crews are scrambling to keep the death toll from rising.
The Fuego volcano roared back to life over the weekend. 62 people now confirmed dead. Have a look at that video. We still don't know how many might be missing in all of that.
So much that people are using banknotes to make things like soccer balls or works of art.